This is the Hercules Gentle Giant. It's designed for FPV and aerial photography. As you can see, I have a GoPro on the plane right now. It is a twin motor plane that has a wingspan of 66 inches, and it's an exceptional flyer designed for both gliding and for a relatively high speed flight. But we're going to fly it here on Squaw Peak Lookout in Utah County, just to show you what she'll do. There's a rough ground takeoff for you.
Yeah, it's splattered with gravel.
Wonder if I have any props left. We're flying over Utah Lake. We're at 6,700 feet above sea level. Coming around, this is Mount Timpanogos. Gorgeous mountain. Coming down the other way, this is Squaw Peak. Got a little bit of wind up here today coming up the face. Down in the background is Mount Nebo. We'll come back here and fly up by Cascade Mountain. That was Timp again. Here's Cascade. A very, very beautiful mountain up there. Plane turns well without stalling. I'm flying about third throttle right now, and that plane's got to be up well over 7,000 feet in elevation right now. Gorgeous plane. Handles this wind up here just not even getting any bucking or anything like that.
Handling it a little better than the microphone.
Yeah, microphone gets a little roar in it from all this wind. I'm still only half throttle.
I like how quiet this plane is.
Yeah. We were flying at the flying field the other day, and it was the quietest plane out there, and it's the only one with 2 motors. It's all EPP. Oops, as we put her down into the weeds. Plane is made from EPP. It can take some abuse here.